Today, we're making a quick bread, thanks to a subscriber, Shell, who wanted me to do something fast and easy. And with it being Palm Sunday today, I thought I'd do something a little different and special. Let's get started. Let's take you through the ingredients. Flour, plain all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, sugar, roughly chopped pistachios, chopped dates. I've got zest of orange. Of course, I've got some orange juice and some sunflower oil and baking soda, baking powder, salt, ground cardamom, and vanilla. Okay, the first thing I want to do is I'm actually going to add our zest to the flour. Now, this will add both flavor and fragrance, did all of this, to the crumb itself. Just get all of that in there. And we'll add all of our dry ingredients, the salt, baking powder, our soda, and our cardamom. So I'm just going to whisk that together, just very quickly, just to combine it and to distribute the soda and the baking powder throughout the flour. Next, we're going to do our wet ingredients. Going to do all of our oil, our eggs, and our vanilla. I'm just going to whisk that to combine before adding our sugar. And just get our sugar to dissolve. And we're going to add our orange juice. I'm going to reserve about a tablespoonful, which I'm adding to some sugar to make a glaze for the top. So there are our wet ingredients. And then, it couldn't be simpler. We're going to fold in our dry ingredients. To combine it. So just fold that until that forms our batter. Now, it would have been very easy to make this just a plain batter. But since Palm Sunday is today, I thought I could show you how it is to make an easy, quick bread, but yet something that's full of flavor. So you see, we've just folded that in until it's combined. And now I'm going to add in our pistachios. I'll do the same thing. Just get that combined through that. Scrape our sides. And now the dates. And I'm going to put those in the larger bowl. And I've got about a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. And I'm just going to toss that. And this will help the fruit not to just sink to the bottom. And in that goes. And we'll fold it in. And that is it. Next, it goes into our prepared loaf tin or loaf pan, which of course I have chilling in the fridge, and it's going to go into a moderately hot oven, 180 Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes to an hour. So I'll just get our tin. So I have our tin, and I have our yogurt. I nearly forgot the yogurt. So I'm going to just add this at the end. You know, you have your list, you have your mise en place, and you can still overlook something. So I'll just get that folded in, and then we'll put that into our pan. There, that yogurt will give a nice tang to it, and we're just going to put that into our pan. Just want to get all of that out. That's why I love a spatula. So tell me in the comments what sort of quick bread you like to make and what you would do for this holiday, for this Passover and Easter season. I really want to know. Okay. Yeah. Got that in. To smooth the top just a little bit. Use my finger and get everything off the spatula. And there. It's ready to go into our oven. Well, our cake is ready to come out of the oven. Our timer has just finished. It's been in there for 56 minutes. So let's see what it looks like. Smells amazing. Oh, wow, look at that. And one of the things I did before putting it in the oven is I sprinkled some pearl sugar on top. And that is really showing up beautifully. And I also dissolved some sugar in a bit of our orange juice. And I'm just going to take that now and just brush that over the top just to add some sheen to our bread. So this will have to cool in the pan for about 15 minutes. And then we'll use the parchment paper to lift it out. But I'm really, really happy with that. Shell, I hope you will give this a try and join me in about 10 minutes. We'll lift it out and we'll let it cool. Okay, we're going to just remove this now from the pan. Oh, it smells absolutely amazing. One of the things about quick breads is they're just that. They're quick. You don't have to wait around for them to rise. Baking powder, baking soda, other leavenings, and it's quick. Or it could be a flatbread. So we'll just let this cool. I'll find a plate and a knife, and we'll give it a taste. Well, we've come to that point where the bread has cooled and it is time to cut it. And the shine on this is just beautiful. Okay. Let's give a nice slice. Oh my goodness. Wow. That looks absolutely beautiful. We'll get that on a plate. Okay. It is time to taste it. Oh, this is so beautiful. Really amazing. Oh, the fragrance. Just spectacular. Okay. Oh, wow. Just beautiful. It's not overly sweet. It's a beautiful, beautiful crumb. Just how easily it comes apart. You get the date, you get the pistachio, you get that orange. Wow. That's delicious, easy, quick bread. Thank you, Shell, for asking me to do one. Well, thank you for joining me today at Gary's Urban Larder. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel. It's free. And ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single delicious recipe. And finally, please share this video with your friends and help to build our community. And if you see a hype button, please hype me. It does help the channel out. Well, until next time, bye-bye. And thanks, Shell. It was so good.